Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's the ultimate power tool, and it's here for everyone. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, and the upside is massive. You don't need to be a coder, you just need to know how to leverage these tools. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just curious, mastering AI can supercharge your productivity and creativity. Think of it as a 24/7 super smart assistant, creative partner, and data analyst rolled into one. In this video, we'll break down the core techniques, the real tools that matter, and give you a roadmap to unlock your full potential. Let's dive in. Why does mastering AI matter? Because it's transforming every field, right now. AI is redefining workflows not just for big corporations but for individuals. In marketing, healthcare, finance, and content creation, AI is already giving people a competitive edge. The real revolution is personal. AI lets you do more with less. Whether you're a creator, student, or small business owner, you don't need deep technical skills, just a willingness to learn and adapt. The ability to use AI is becoming as essential as knowing how to use a word processor. It's not about being replaced, it's about being augmented. AI handles the grunt work, so you can focus on strategy and creativity. Imagine generating 100 design concepts in an hour, or analyzing 1,000 pages of research in minutes. Mastering AI expands what you can achieve and future-proofs your skills. As AI becomes integrated into everyday tools, knowing how to use it will be expected. Get ahead now, and you'll be seen as a leader and innovator. If AI is the tool, your words are the controls. Welcome to prompt engineering. It's the most important skill. The art of asking AI for exactly what you want. Vague prompts get vague results. Great prompts get brilliant results. 3 rules. Be specific. Give context and use step-by-step instructions. Specificity. Don't just say, write about coffee. Say, write a 500-word beginner-friendly blog post comparing Arabica and Robusta beans. Focus on taste, caffeine, and growing conditions. Context. Tell the AI who it is and what you need. You're a project manager. Write a firm professional email to a client about an overdue payment. Step by step. For complex tasks, break it down. First, brainstorm 10 video titles. Second, write short descriptions for the top 3. Third, analyze which is most clickable. This works for everything: writing, coding, planning trips, generating images. For images, create a photorealistic cyberpunk city at sunset, neon ads, rain-slicked street, flying vehicles, electric blue and magenta palette, low-angle shot. The more detail and structure you give, the better the output. Think of AI as a brilliant but literal intern. It does exactly what you say. Save your best prompts in a library for reuse. Before you hit enter, ask, is this specific? Did I give enough context? Can I break it into steps? Mastering this feedback loop is the foundation for getting the most out of any AI tool. Practice, refine, and you'll unlock the system's full power. Prompt engineering isn't complicated, but it's transformative. Start paying attention to how you ask for things. This is your master key to AI. Now, which AI tools should you actually master? You don't need dozens, just a solid, versatile toolkit. First, ChatGPT, or Claude Gemini, your go-to for brainstorming, writing, summarizing, coding, and learning. Use advanced versions like GPT-4 for best results. Second, an AI image generator, MidJourney for stunning visuals, or Stable Diffusion for customization. Third, Notion AI, an all-in-one workspace for notes, summaries, and project planning. Fourth, Descript edit audio and video by editing text, clone your voice, and save hours on content creation. Fifth, a research assistant, Perplexity AI, or Consensus for fact-checked, sourced answers. These 5 tools cover text, visuals, organization, media, and research. Start with ChatGPT, then add others as your needs grow. Build your personal AI stack to streamline your workflow. Mastering these gives you a huge advantage in any project. This is your foundation for AI-powered productivity and creativity. Ready to level up? It's time to automate. Identify repetitive tasks, responding to emails, creating content calendars, summarizing meetings. Log your daily tasks for a week to spot patterns. These are your automation targets. Use AI to generate content ideas, draft captions, and create images. Then save your best prompts as templates. Build a prompt library for quick reuse. Connect your tools with services like Zapier or Make.com. Example, new entry in Google Sheets triggers ChatGPT to polish it, then saves it to Notion. Automate invoice processing, article summaries, or daily digests. Think in processes, not isolated tasks. Invest time up front to build templates and automations. It pays off fast. Start small. Pick one repetitive task this week and automate it. Once you see a task complete itself, you'll spot automation opportunities everywhere. Automation frees your time for high-value work. Let AI handle the busy work so you can focus on what matters. AI isn't just for productivity, it's a creative powerhouse. Use it to brainstorm ideas, break creative blocks, and scale your output. For script writing, feed AI a topic and get outlines, intros, or even critiques on your drafts. For visuals, use MidJourney. Start broad, then refine your prompt to sculpt the perfect image. For audio, tools like 11 Labs generate realistic voiceovers, turn blog posts into podcasts, or create character voices. For music, AI generators like Suno or AIVA create custom tracks for your videos or podcasts. Plan content with AI. I have a YouTube channel on sustainable living. Create a 3-month calendar with titles, descriptions, and key points. The key: treat AI as a collaborator, not a vending machine. You provide the vision. AI brings speed and variation. Experiment, iterate, and let AI help you create more, faster. Use AI to explore new styles and push your creative boundaries. When you find your rhythm, you'll unlock new levels of creativity. AI is your creative partner. Embrace the collaboration. The AI world moves fast. How do you keep up? Microlearning is the answer: small, daily habits that compound over time. Watch a 10-minute tutorial, read a short article, or scan a newsletter each day. Curate your info diet. Follow a few high-quality AI influencers and newsletters like The Neuron or Ben's Bites. Use just-in-time learning. Learn a tool when you need it for a project. Join online communities, Reddit, Discord, X, to passively absorb new techniques. Replace 15 minutes of social scrolling with AI news or podcasts. Build a system of continuous, low-effort learning. Stay curious, stay consistent, and you'll always be ahead. Microlearning keeps you sharp without overwhelm. The final piece is mindset. Think like an AI pro. Shift from task doer to systems architect. Design workflows, not just to-do lists. Map out your process, spot bottlenecks, and ask, can AI help here? Treat AI as a collaborator, not an oracle. Critique, iterate, and combine outputs. Use AI as a sounding board for rough ideas and creative challenges. Stay relentlessly curious and experiment constantly. Don't fear failure. Every weird output teaches you something new. Pros push boundaries and discover breakthroughs by playing with the tools. Adopt these mindsets, and you'll move from casual user to true power user. AI becomes an extension of your creativity and intellect. Mastering AI is a marathon. Build habits and the right mindset. Here's your quick checklist. Master prompt writing. Use 3 AI tools daily. Automate 1 task this week. Try a new tool monthly. And follow at least 1 AI influencer or newsletter. Bonus: keep a prompt journal. Save your best prompts and results for future use. AI is the future of productivity and creativity. Start now, stay consistent, and stay curious. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. Which AI tool do you want to master next? Thanks for watching. Stay smart and stay AI powered.